Addressing the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi warned that the ongoing crisis in West Asia shows no immediate signs of easing and could have long-standing consequences. He emphasized that any obstruction to global trade is unacceptable, noting that Indian seafarers are currently stranded in the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. The Prime Minister cautioned that the side effects of this war will last for a long time, drawing parallels with the COVID-19 pandemic when citizens adapted to a new normal through cooperation and resilience. Highlighting India's preparedness, Prime Minister Modi said, the country has diversified its sources for essential commodities including LPG, fertilizers and crude oil to severe impact of the global energy crisis. While acknowledging that the crisis is an international problem affecting the global economy, he assured citizens that the government prioritizes the welfare of the people, stating, "The interest of the people of the country is paramount for us. This is our identity. This is our strength." Prime Minister Modi also underlined India's concern for more than 1 crore Indians living in the Gulf region, describing their safety and well-being as a national priority. The government has actively urged for de-escalation in the region and seeks to promote peace through diplomacy. He strongly condemned attacks on commercial vessels and the blocking of the Strait of Hormuz, a key global trade route, reiterating that India advocates for dialogue and peaceful resolution during these challenging times.